got to do this one first. And after that, we got to get the fucking pot up for entries.
We already got it.
We don't.
We don't.
Yeah, because we got people betting on one race and then they're going to bet that money again on the second one. That's why he told you 400.
Pretty much.
That's what y'all are about to do. What are you talking about? Man, you the cleanup man. We know why they recruited you. Cleanup crew.
I mean, they're going to have the money anyways. They're going to crack my shit. Y'all should have the money anyways.
We always do.
Y'all going to crack it.
What did he tell you? He told you like $400 or $500, right?
Yeah.
Now come on, 8. Damn.
Y'all going to beat me, so we could just give y'all a heads up right there.
So then why don't we do yours for 8 too?
All right.
You see what I'm saying?
I'm serious. Come on.
All right, we'll get
Look,
the 8.
look at him. Look at him. Look.
We'll get the 8. It's only fair.
Right, get to 8 with me and get with 1,000 with him.
8 and 8.
Nah, 8 and 1,000.
Make them even. 1,000 and 1,000.
I'm over here sounding
That's
like
fair.
I'm over here sounding like Zach, son.
That's fair. You know it.
I'm out here.
We match them both the same. We'll do all 3 races tonight, 1,000 each.
I don't know about the fucking out. Y'all was out like 80 cars.
Man, we're giving
This
you.
nigga didn't even lit out. This nigga just stayed in that bitch.
We're giving y'all one
This
in the
nigga
break.
disrespectful, son. I would have lit out. That nigga was like, fuck, I'm gonna let them know I got them, nigga.
Y'all got one in the break. Like
I don't hear none of that shit, son. It's right there.
Who's right there? You want to flip for everything?
You want stage?
I mean, you stage pretty quick, right? Yeah. We can flip for it then.
Or do you just want to give it to him?
No, I mean, if he gives me some, if I give him something, he gotta give me something.
What do you want?
He wants lane choice, bro.
The right lane. You want to give him the right lane, sir?
I don't know if your prep's still up there. Definitely not.
It's not up there.
Yeah, this shit's definitely going.
I'm just joking.
Look, man, the fleek lasts for days. And that was just a little 10% of
Yeah,
it.
that's what I'm saying. I'll give you stage if you give me lane.
It's up to you.
Stage second.
Yeah, you got the lane, you got the right. That's cool. All right. You cool with me flagging it?
Yeah.
We're just waiting on Matt to get here with the Mustang.
Yeah, I'm just cooling my car down anyways. No, I gotta drive my car.
Yeah. What's that supposed to be?
Well, I might not be driving it back. Son.
We got
That's why he brought it. All right,
This should be good.
Let me know when y'all ready.
Yeah, I got you.
Are we gonna set the other race up, man?
Which one?
Que lo que. What's it? Okay, what's that?
we need to come to some, finalization to all this and figure out what we're gonna do, because he feels like it wasn't a race, you feel like it was a race. So let's just figure something out. Over $500, dude, it's not worth it.
It's not about
we're all
money. It's
we're all,
about the
We
principle.
saw the cops
Like,
coming and we
nah, it's not even about that, bro. If you leave before the light, no matter what,
It looked like you pushed it to be converted.
it don't. It
But it's still.
he
But it,
didn't.
It does.
What happened was he got on trans brake. When he saw the cops, he forgot to turn his lights off. He got on trans brake trying to turn the lights on, and they were already on. So he's sitting there waiting like you were when I fucked you up. He's sitting there waiting to go, and he's like, my car's overheating. So he went to go shut the car off and just let go of everything to hit the car, and the car moved. But the light never came on. That's the same thing that happened to you.
I never actually brought my car into stage because I never turned my lights off. That was my own fault. I fucked up on the stage, and I didn't realize at the time, and then the car overheated. In addition to that, he had his transmission overheat. So there's
yesterday, the Audi wasn't fucking launching. We stayed.
That's y'all's
My
call.
fault. I mean, it's not mine.
That's Jake's call.
Jake's call.
I mean, I fucked up, so I can see that's fair.
We
I
good?
think half is better than all of it.
Okay. Well, I mean, technically, if you really want to look at it, if you really want to look at it,
There was never a race, but
right.
you guys
But
both left.
but I mean, honestly, if you want to technically look at it, he basically stole according to whatever show. You know what I mean? So that's what you do. You would pay half and move on, but. But that's fine. I mean, if you guys agree to that, then then what are we gonna
Let's
we're gonna do
keep the peace and we'll keep moving.
and we're gonna do the hand race at
I'm not trying to fuck you out of it. I'm just mad that I
Yeah,
fucked
no, I
up.
feel you. Yeah, I mean, we can do that. Y'all pay $250 and then we still put the pot on that.
All right.
Who?